Today I'm gonna show you how to snap duct together. First, make sure it's same size. So you have 16 by 8 and 60 inches long, and another side is 16 by 8. Then place your ducts on a table or on the floor. And make sure that this part right here and this right here gonna be even. And push top duct inside. Sometimes you need to use hammer, and then go all the way to the end. Also, I like to shoot one screw in the middle so it's not gonna slide. Then flip it on other side and do the same. Push this in and use your hammer. And another screw. And you are done. You have your duct snapped and ready for install.